Hi children, today you are going to learn grade 7 Buddhism, chapter 7. The topic is the first Buddhist Council. Children, what is the Buddhist Council? The Buddhist Council is known as Buddhist Sanghayana. It means reading together and reciting together, delivering together and coming to agreements about Dhamma and Vinaya. Okay children, now you know the meaning of Buddhist Council. Now we are going to learn the reason for the first Buddhist Council. After the Parinibbana of the Buddha at the age of 80, the disciples of the Buddha were weeping with great sadness except the Arahant disciples. There was a monk who was ordained at his old age called Subhadda. After the death of the Buddha, this monk was happy and he said that now we don't have a leader to say this is suitable and this is not. We are free and we can do whatever we like. By hearing this, others were sad and they informed about this matter to Arahant Mahakashyapa Thero, who was the third disciple of the Buddha. And also he was the president of the Buddhist Council. Children, here you can see there are two pictures. One is the Parinibbana of the Buddha and the other one is the bhikkhus discussing about the Dhamma with Ananda Thero. Children, now we are going to discuss about the arrangement for the first Buddhist Council. King Ajasatta was the sponsor for the first Buddhist Council. All the arrangements were prepared at the entrance of the Saptapani cave in Rajagaha. There were 500 seats for 500 bhikkhus. This Buddhist council was called as Panchasatika Sangiti because 500 Arahants participated in this. Arahant Mahakashyapa Thero was presiding the first Buddhist council. Arahant Upali Thero and Arahant Ananda Thero were rehearsing the Dhamma and Vinaya. Now we are going to discuss about the important facts of the first Buddhist Council. The first Buddhist Council was held 3 months after the Parinibbana of the Buddha and the council lasted for 7 months. The first Buddhist Council collected up the Pali Tripitaka. The Pali Tripitaka is the Sutta Pitaka, the Vinaya Pitaka, the Abhidhamma Pitaka. Now we will discuss about the each Pitaka in brief. Vinaya Pitaka consists the rules and regulations which the Buddha enacted for the benefits of bhikkhus and bhikkhunis. Sutta Pitaka contains the discourses delivered by the Buddha. Some discourses were delivered by Arahant Sariputta Thero, Arahant Moggallana Thero, and Arahant Ananda Thero. Abhidhamma Pitaka contains the philosophy of the Buddhist teaching. Now we'll see what are the decisions of the first Buddhist council. The council decided not to introduce any new rules or Sikkhapada and not to take away any rules introduced by the Buddha. And also, they decided to hand over to certain bhikkhus to carry out the Dhamma. These monks were helping to carry on Dhamma from generation to generation by oral delivery because at that time there were no facilities for writing. Children, I think you all clear my lesson about the first Buddhist council. Then I want to give some questions regarding this lesson. Please write these questions in your writing book and answer for these questions. Number 1, what is the meaning of the Buddhist council? Number 2, what was the reason for the first Buddhist council? Write how the first council was held. That is the third one. Number 4, what was discussed in the first Buddhist council? Please write these questions in your writing book and answer. Children, thank you for watching this video. We will meet again with another lesson. Till then, stay safe at home. Bye.